Anyone can attain Buddhahood, even an insect, if they make the effort and have enough confidence and devotion. We should begin, first of all, by being resolutely confident that we can attain enlightenment. We need also to have a vast, courageous mind, thinking that we will be able to bring all sentient beings to enlightenment as well. It is a very limited attitude to think simply, may I be rid of my difficulties, be protected from fears and be happy and comfortable, and only care about oneself. We should wish unlimited happiness for the unlimited number of beings. The only way to fulfill this wish is to practice the Dharma and attain enlightenment. If, from the very beginning, you dedicate your efforts to the welfare of all beings, your practice will be immune to negative influences such as anger and pride. Moreover, its benefit will endure from now until we reach enlightenment.